Experiencing app issues on your Xumo box? First, clear the app's cache. Navigate to Settings, then Apps. Select the problematic app, go to Storage, and clear cache. This removes temporary data that can cause glitches. Next, ensure your Xumo box software is up to date. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, About, then System Update. A stable internet connection with at least 5 megabps is crucial for updates. Xumo Firmware Update 3.2.1 from April 2025 resolved many app crashes by improving memory management. If clearing cache and updating don't work, reinstall the app. First, back up your login credentials to avoid losing access. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, select the problematic app, and choose Uninstall. Then, re-download the app from the Xumo store to get a fresh installation. Looking ahead, Xumo is integrating AI-assisted troubleshooting to guide users through fixes. They're also piloting a cloud box mode to offload processing and minimize app failures. While AI is on the rise, these manual fixes remain essential for immediate solutions. User surveys show a 75% success rate when combining cache clearing, updates, and reinstalls.